Place the module on the installation table. Align the cabinet with the module. Secure the module to the cabinet. Install the power supplies and receiving card. Locate the receiving card mounting plate and firmly fix the receiving card in place. Connect the power output terminal to the power interface of the receiving card to supply power to it. Secure the power supplies. Fix the signal cable interfaces and power cable interfaces. Ensuring all modules within the cabinet form a complete signal chain. The assembly of the 500 by 1000mm rental screen cabinet is completed.